So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once we're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to get both of them, so you want to click on both of them. It's now going to start downloading. And then once it's been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both of our downloads. I'm going to download the first one on my list. It's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it and then tick the box I agree and then click on install and then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Now once that's been done, you can click on close. Now for the next one, double click on it and then do the same thing. Tick the box I agree, install, and then click on yes. Wait for this to load. Once it's been installed, click on close. For the next step, you want to go to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX and use a runtime web installer. Now once we're on this, you want to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you want to tick the box I accept, and then click on next. We can untick this, and then click on next. Wait for this to load, and then click on next again. It's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to click on finish. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.